video marketing is crucial to business. You know how much we love video marketing here at Arena and Lettuce Media. In this conversation with Blake, we talk about how he's able to utilize video in his business to grow and scale and ultimately sell his clients' listings faster and more effectively. Because I know how much you enjoy doing video marketing and how much we like doing video marketing. Obviously, we own Lettuce Media.
We like video marketing?
Yeah.
No way.
And you've done some really great videos. So
The water one.
Yeah, that was funny. Yeah. So like
Still have people talking to me about that one.
yeah.
Great.
So I mean, if you're a seller trying to list your house and you're trying to choose an agent and you want somebody who has done video before, how has video really helped your sellers move houses through social media?
Yeah, for sure. And I mean, to some people just don't care for it too much, or they don't think about it.
Yeah.
And I would say over the last year, I've had the opportunity to come in as the second agent.
Yeah.
On a couple of listings and turn around and sold them like pretty quickly.
Yeah.
That's got to feel good.
Not gonna say that the video marketing was the reason for it, but I do think, I look at the insights of my videos that I put out. I look at them from our professional accounts too, and they're getting, it's a far reach.
Yeah.
It's a far reach, and I think that alone is enough to put in front of our clients to say, you want the most eyeballs on this house in the best light that we can put it in. Let me do that.
Yeah.
And so, yeah, you guys at Lettuce have done just an incredible job. Yeah, the water one, that one's my personal favorite.
You really made a splash.
Were they excited? Did they enjoy it as much as
So
we did?
it's funny. I actually showed it to him at his house, like in person with him. I just happened to be there for something else. I was like, oh yeah, hey, the video is done for this land, and I showed it to him, and he like busted out laughing. He thought that was the coolest thing because it was quick and it was a quick hook, trendy. And then it showcased the land. I think it was like
and it was
maybe
land,
15. I think it was maybe 15 seconds.
Yeah.
How many listing agents actually put anything behind, videos and pictures when it's land?
Yeah.
They don't. It was just the perfect tie-in to get the attention.
That's a big complaint of mine in this industry is, we see a lot of people that just choose to be relatively lazy.
Yeah.
We're getting paid to do this job, and the least you could do is get professional pictures, even of land.
Right.
Get somebody that's got a drone to be able to shoot the land from above. Don't just take the picture from the road and call it a day. That infuriates me, because it also makes me believe that the agent never walked the land to see.
And sometimes they haven't.
To be able to explain it and give some background on it.
Well, I suggest anybody who hadn't seen that video of you and that land listing that they go back and look at it because it was funny. We'll put it in the
it's
comments.
Worth the time.
I still share it every now and again.
It's funny, man. It was great. Well, dude, I appreciate you coming on and talking to us, man. It was
Appreciate
a fun
y'all
conversation. I can't believe this is your first podcast. You did great. Yeah.
We're gonna do it again.
Well, I'm glad I was able to do it with y'all.
Yeah, me too, buddy. Cool. Well, congratulations on all the success, man.
Thanks, Blake.